The energy transition poses major challenges for heating and cooling of multi-storey residential dwellings. Fossil fuels must be replaced and ever stricter standards must be met. All previous approaches were compromises, some of which required costly additional work. Now there is a real solution, a heat pump with natural refrigerant. 70-degree flow temperature, quiet and highly efficient. The Belaria Pro 4050 from Hoval, absolutely future-proof and cascadable up to 200 kilowatts. The future also belongs to the heat pump in the output range of 50 to 200 kilowatts. Noise can be a knockdown criterion, especially in high-density residential buildings. A few decibels too much, and the system can no longer be approved without sound insulation measures. We have no problems here with the Belaria Pro 4050. It is extremely quiet and sets new standards for heat pumps for this area. In case of installation on the building, we must prevent vibrations. Hoval has also thought about this with its standard sound-insulated feet. Furthermore, customers are already demanding an environmentally friendly, natural refrigerant, which will be mandatory from 2027. With R290, the Belaria Pro 4050 already fulfills this requirement. Thanks to the high flow temperatures of the Belaria Pro 4050, it can be used in a wide range of applications, whether in residential, industrial or commercial buildings, whether in existing buildings with radiators or modern residential complexes. With its high flow temperature of 70 degrees, the Belaria Pro 4050 meets all requirements for heating and domestic hot water. For me, the overall package has to be right. A long-term solution where I can also assume low consumption costs in the future. No new investment in heating in the next few years. No noise to annoy the neighbors. The heat pump solution with Belaria Pro 4050 offers exactly what I was looking for. It offers operating cost savings of 15 to 25% compared to similar products. Natural refrigerant, and it's very quiet in operation. And with the Hoval Supervisor Cloud, I can always keep an eye on my plant. Belaria Pro 4050, the heat pump that meets all criteria for larger buildings in highly dense neighborhoods. And as always, the experienced Hoval team is on hand to provide advice and support during planning, installation, commissioning and service.